Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. We'll discuss how to install Terraform in Linux, especially in Ubuntu. So there are multiple ways of installing Terraform in Linux. So we'll talk about the different ways. So let's understand the you know how to install Terraform using apt command, right? In apt command we can use in either Debian or Ubuntu. So in Ubuntu we can use like sudo apt update. First of all, we update the system, then sudo apt install unzip. So if you do not have the unzip install, then in that case you need to install, otherwise you need to skip this steps, and then we will have sudo apt-get install terraform. So this will install the terraform in your Ubuntu or Debian machine. Next way is, if you are installing in Red Hat or Fedora, then you have to use yum command, sudo yum install unzip and sudo yum install terraform. Correct. So these are the command we have now. The third one is, if we are installing in Fedora or RHEL 8 plus, then we will use a DNF command. So sudo DNF install unzip and sudo DNF install terraform. Using this we can install, right? And if we want to install manually, right, we don't want to use these apt or this command. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to download the latest version of Terraform from the official Terraform site. I have shown you, right, there. You can just we have the zip folder over there. We just need to copy the link of those Terraform, latest Terraform, and you just need to do the curl, right, sudo curl -o and put the URL of your Terraform. It will download, and then you can sudo unzip Terraform, and you know unzip it, the whatever folder name is, zip folder name is, you can unzip it and then put into usr hyphen local hyphen bin. So from there the terraform file should be here. So from here it will automatically pick up. So then if you run terraform version, then you can see the terraform is already installed. So let's go for the demo. So we are now in a browser. We'll go to terraform.io, and then we will click on download. So those are the other way to install the Terraform, but we will use the official website's instructions how to install, right? So we want to install Linux. Go to Linux. We have a Ubuntu machine, so we'll use these three, right? So let's copy this and go to the command prompt and check. So we are now moved to the Linux box. Let's create one folder, mkdir. Just created this because we want to download in this folder only. We move to this folder, alas nothing is there. So let's copy the command one by one. The first copy was, we, we get, right now. Let's copy the second command, and we are have now third command is sudo apt update and sudo apt install terraform. So the terraform is installed. Let's execute one command. The terraform version v1.6.6 latest version is installed, right? So we have used the approach mentioned in the official terraform website. So I am also recommend to use the approach mentioned in the official terraform site. Now demo is done. If you have any questions or query, just comment. We will definitely come back with solution. And if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll come back with such more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.